A fish pond can be a beautiful addition to any backyard or garden, providing a peaceful and serene environment for you to enjoy. However, owning a fish pond also comes with a certain level of responsibility. To ensure that your fish are healthy and happy, you must properly care for your pond. One of the most important aspects of caring for your fish pond is monitoring the water quality. The pH level, ammonia, nitrite and nitrate levels should be checked regularly to ensure that they are within the appropriate range for the type of fish you have. The pH level should be between 6.5 and 8.5, and the ammonia, nitrite and nitrate levels should be as close to zero as possible. If any of these levels are too high, it can lead to health problems for your fish and even death. To keep the water clean, you should remove any debris, such as fallen leaves, from the pond on a regular basis. Additionally, you should clean the pond's filter regularly to ensure that it is functioning properly and removing any debris from the water. Proper aeration is also crucial for the well-being of your fish. Fish need oxygen to survive, and if the water in your pond is not properly aerated, the fish may suffocate. A pond aerator, either a fountain or an air pump, can help to ensure that your fish have enough oxygen. Feeding your fish the appropriate amount of food is another important aspect of caring for your pond. You should base the amount of food on the size and species of your fish. Overfeeding can lead to pollution in the pond and poor water quality, which can harm the fish. Another key aspect of caring for your fish pond is maintaining the appropriate fish-to-water ratio. Overstocking the pond can lead to poor water quality and can put a strain on the fish, leading to health problems. It's important to research the appropriate number of fish for your pond and stick to that number. Temperature stability is also critical for the well-being of your fish. Fish are sensitive to temperature changes, and sudden shifts in temperature can cause stress and even death. Keep the pond in a location that is protected from the sun and wind, and use a pond heater or chiller to maintain a consistent temperature. Plants are also an important aspect of caring for your fish pond. They help to keep the water clean by absorbing excess nutrients and providing oxygen for the fish. However, it's important to check the plants regularly and remove any dead or dying plants to prevent the spread of disease. When adding new fish to your pond, it's important to quarantine them before introducing them to the existing population. This will help to ensure that the new fish are not carrying any diseases that could harm the existing fish. Caring for your fish pond is an ongoing process and requires a consistent maintenance schedule. This includes regular water changes, as well as monitoring the water quality, cleaning the filter and removing debris. By following a consistent maintenance schedule, you can ensure that your fish pond is healthy and that your fish are happy and well cared for. Finally, it's important to keep an eye on your fish for signs of illness or distress. Fish that are sick or stressed will often show visible signs, such as lethargy, loss of appetite, and abnormal swimming patterns. If you notice any of these signs, address the issue promptly to prevent the spread of disease and ensure the well-being of your fish. Owning a fish pond can be a rewarding experience, but it also comes with a certain level of responsibility. To ensure that your fish are healthy and happy, you must properly care for your pond by monitoring the water quality, keeping the pond clean, maintaining proper aeration, feeding the fish appropriately, maintaining the appropriate fish-to-water ratio, keeping the temperature stable, caring for the plants, quarantining new fish, and following a consistent maintenance schedule. Regular water changes are also important to keep the water fresh and clean. Additionally, it's important to keep an eye on your fish for signs of illness or distress and address any issues promptly. Another important aspect of caring for your fish pond is to choose the right fish for your pond. Not all fish are suitable for outdoor ponds, and some species may require different water conditions or levels of care. Research the different types of fish that are suitable for outdoor ponds, and choose the ones that best suit your specific environment and level of care. It's also important to protect your fish from predators. Birds, raccoons, and other animals may be attracted to your pond and can harm or even kill your fish. To protect your fish, you can install a pond cover or netting, or use a pond alarm that will alert you to the presence of unwanted visitors. Finally, it's important to keep your fish pond in good repair. This includes keeping the pond liner in good condition, checking for leaks, and making sure that the pond structure is stable. Regular maintenance and repairs will help to ensure that your pond lasts for many years and continues to provide a peaceful and serene environment for you and your fish. In summary, owning a fish pond can be a beautiful and peaceful addition to your backyard or garden, but it also comes with a certain level of responsibility. By monitoring the water quality, keeping the pond clean, maintaining proper aeration, feeding the fish appropriately, maintaining the appropriate fish-to-water ratio, keeping the temperature stable, caring for the plants, quarantining new fish, following a consistent maintenance schedule, And keeping an eye on your fish for signs of illness or distress, you can ensure that your fish are healthy and happy, and that your pond is a beautiful and peaceful addition to your home for many years to come.